tomorrow. Nicole Killian, CBS News, Cocoa Beach, Florida.
Now, Dave, you've been tracking this. What's the latest?
Well, Dorian is right over warm ocean water, and there's nothing to slow it down, so it's just got time to strengthen and strengthen and strengthen. Look at this map. It looks pretty impressive here on the satellite imagery. Category 2 hurricane. Look how large it is, and it just keeps growing. Now has just popped up to a Category 3 with winds at 115 miles per hour. Movement is northwest at 10. It's about 445 miles northwest of the northwestern Bahamas, or east of the northwestern Bahamas, I should say. Now, here's the latest predicted path. Now, it's just going to go right over Marsh Harbor, and at this point, it looks like on Tuesday morning may make landfall as a Category 4 or Category 3 hurricane. Either way, that's a major hurricane that's going to slam right around West Palm Beach. But this is what we call the cone of uncertainty. So still, it could hit in any one of these locations inside of that cone. Then later, as it's over open land, it may go over Disney World as a Category 1 hurricane. By the time we get to Wednesday, it stays alive for that long over the land, it looks like now. And here's a look at the computer models now. All of these kind of give forecasters an idea of what will happen. And you could see we have models that go all the way up to Jacksonville and all the way down to Miami. That's why it's hard to pinpoint exactly where this storm is going to lie. Either way, it looks like it's going to be a direct hit or a near hit over the east coast of Florida and may affect the east coast as we get into next weekend. Unfortunately. Around here, nothing like that happening. Certainly our mile high cam showing partly cloudy skies and 76 degrees. No thunderstorms yet, but there will be some this afternoon. So right off the bat, I just thought I'd jump into the weekend forecast for you. Tomorrow, an isolated storm possible near 90 degrees, 95 on Sunday. Labor Day, 98 degrees is the forecast high. The record is 97. That'll be a new record for the date. That may also be the hottest temperature we've ever had in September. So we may break 2 records with that guy right there. Now, here's the radar and satellite. We got a little moisture coming into cooler air here. We've had a few light showers and some thunderstorms here to the north, also down here in the Sangre de Cristos. Nothing big cooking around Denver yet, and I think if anything does happen around here, it's probably going to be later this afternoon, about 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock on into the evening tonight as things come together, and that's in the Futurecast forecast. So all the green little blobs here will be thunderstorms that fire up. They could be scattered anywhere from Fort Collins all the way down to Pueblo, and then they'll move out over the eastern plains later tonight. Clearing by tomorrow morning, a few clouds out east, but we'll be in the sunshine over Denver. And tomorrow afternoon, a few afternoon clouds, maybe a few isolated storms in the mountains, but mostly sunny from Denver up to Fort Collins. Now, any of the storms that do arrive this afternoon, they could be hail producers, so we'll have to watch for that. And again, if that does happen for Denver, it'll be probably after about 5 o'clock today. Temperature-wise, hot out west, 90s out there, but everybody else is cooling down, 70s and 80s in the mountains, and a lot of 80s showing up here across the eastern plains. If you're going to the Rocky Mountain Showdown tonight at 8 o'clock, there is a chance of thunderstorms, so I would take the rain gear tonight. I don't think you'll need it the whole time, but you might need it with a passing shower this evening. And then tomorrow, near 90, again, isolated storms. There's that heat we talked about, maybe a record on Labor Day, and 86 for Tuesday with a few isolated afternoon thunderstorms. So this weekend coming and going with a lot of summertime heat out there.
That's right. So if you're squeezing in that last summertime activity, good weekend to do it.
Take your bikini.
Yeah.
You'll need it.
Yeah,
and
find
sunscreen.
a pool, right?
Yeah, there you go. Right on.
All right. Thank you so much, Dave.
You bet.
Well, the Denver Zoo wants to hear from you about what to name the new